We use the Mazak QTE-100MSYL machine for this. Start by drilling and use an air gun as needed. Cut layer by layer until it's the right size. Make the inner hole bigger. Smooth it out until it's nice and even. Turn the threads inside. Cut the outer diameter again. Cut to small faces at the bottom. Drill a hole on one side. Tap an M to thread inside. Cut and join the back spindle. Drill and make the hole bigger. Smooth it out until it's perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Choose Manners.